Starting a new game. I will first accept the cookies banner to clear the view. Then I will click the search box, type a popular movie and section to get initial feedback on type, year, rating, genres, and cast/crew. I will use enter to select the first drop-down result and then click the guess button to submit. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is older than 2008. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.3. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, and director have no overlap. The target is an older movie, not action/adventure/sci-fi, with a rating below 8.3. Type card is green for Inception, so the target is a movie. Year is red with a down arrow, meaning it's older than 2008. Rating is red with a down arrow, meaning it's lower than 8.3. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi are all gray, so it's not any of those. I will guess Titanic 1997, drama/romance to test these new genres and an older year. Type card is green for Titanic movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is older than 1997. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower than 7.9, but within 0.5, so 7.4 to 7.8. Genre drama is green, while romance is gray. The target is a drama movie older than 1997 with a rating between 7.4 and 7.8. Type card is green for Titanic, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is older than 1997, 1994 or older. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target rating is between 7.4 and 7.8. Genre drama is green. I will guess A Few Good Men 1992, drama/thriller, tilde 7.7 rating to test an older year in the thriller genre. Type card is green for A Few Good Men movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target is older, but within 2 years 1990 or 1991. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, meaning it's higher, but within 0.5, 7.8 to 8.2. Genres drama and thriller are both green. Director Rob Reiner is green. The target is a 1990 or 1991 drama/thriller directed by Rob Reiner. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with a down arrow, meaning 1990 or 1991. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, meaning 7.8 to 8.2. Genres drama and thriller are green. Director Rob Reiner is green. Misery 1990 is a drama/thriller directed by Rob Reiner with a 7.8 rating, which perfectly fits all constraints. Nailed it. The answer was Misery, and I got it in 4 guesses. Hitting Rob Reiner as the director on my previous guess, along with the 1990 timeframe and drama/thriller genres, made this a quick solve.